As cities grow and the pace of life accelerates, vertical transportation has become an essential part of modern living. Elevators are no longer just a convenience, but a vital foundation supporting the efficient operation of modern cities. Behind every smooth journey, there is a strong commitment to safety and quality. FUJIRISE Elevator, dedicated to providing safe, reliable, and efficient vertical transportation solutions worldwide. FUJIRISE Elevator is a professional manufacturer of elevators and escalators in China, integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales, installation, and maintenance services, with over 25 years of experience in the elevator industry. We have a strong technical team and solid R&D capabilities. With years of technical expertise, we have mastered core technologies, including 32-bit microcomputer control systems and permanent magnet synchronous traction drives. We adhere to the philosophy of safety first, quality above all. Innovation drives the future. Every smooth operation reflects our commitment to superior quality. From the bustling city's passenger elevators to the life-guarding hospital elevators. From the city-viewing panorama elevators to the exclusive villa elevators. From the heavy-duty freight elevators to the floor-connecting escalators and moving walks. FUJIRISE has developed more than 20 product series and over 50 specifications, meeting the needs of customers worldwide. Superior products originate from powerful manufacturing capabilities. A modern production base covering 43,333 square meters, equipped with a 96-meter high test tower capable of testing high-speed elevators up to 8.0 meters per second. We have invested heavily in fully automated sheet metal processing lines and robotic welding systems, ensuring the precision of every inch of steel and the perfection of every weld. Our self-developed vector door operator system achieves millisecond-level precision control, ensuring smoother and quieter door operations. We master core technologies, the self-developed new generation permanent magnet synchronous traction machine. Utilizing advanced materials, it achieves up to 40% energy savings and boosts transmission efficiency by 25% to 35%. Rigorous management systems create industry-leading quality standards that we hold CNAS laboratory certification. Our products are certified with TUV energy efficiency, CE, and EAC certifications, ensuring full compliance with international market requirements. Every elevator we deliver stands for safety and reliability. Looking to the future, we are not just manufacturing, but creating intelligent lives. The IoT remote security guard system eliminates potential risks before they happen. Face recognition technology delivers supreme safety for your travel. The intelligent elevator dispatch system, using the best algorithms to calculate the fastest path, makes every wait more efficient and every journey more energy-saving. We will continue to drive innovation, providing safer, more energy-efficient, and intelligent vertical transportation solutions for global urban buildings. FUJIRISE Elevator, leading the vertical world with intelligence, building tomorrow's cities today, and connecting every height with trust and innovation.